Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see the first photo you ever liked on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, you will need to open your Instagram and open your profile and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner and tap on your activity and tap on interactions. Tap on likes and tap on sort and filter and tap on sort by and select oldest to newest. Tap on apply. So this is my first liked post on Instagram. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.